Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and boy, do I have one that I am excited to show you today. This here is the off-grid Caiman XL, and it is pretty impressive. I've never had an off-grid knife before, but I did some reading up on it, seen some vids too, and I was really drawn to that Bowie blade there, the way it just sloops down and everything. And everything I've read about these is that they are overbuilt and comfortable and pretty incredible and dependable. So I saw this one, and because I like big knives, and I cannot lie, I did go with the XL. Also, particularly because this comes in 14C28N, as opposed to the regular Cayman, which is a little smaller and in D2. And I like D2, but man, if I got the option to get a 14C28 and then maybe a half inch more of a blade, I'm going that route. And for the price, $70 on Amazon, you can't really beat it. And yeah, this is really beautiful tumbled DLC coated black blade. And I gotta say, I wasn't always the biggest fan of black blades, but I'm starting to come around, especially with one that's done so nicely as this. It's just really stout. And man, it's really impressively sharp too. In that point, whew. Here's the it's a thin blade, but man, is it something else. And they got 3/4 of that blade is jimped out, not sharp, but pretty comfortable. Rests very nicely. The whole thing is very comfortable to grip, and it gives you wide enough area to even kind of choke up two fingers in that choil groove there. So yeah, this is really nice. And as soon as I saw it and I felt it, these G10 scales, very reminiscent of the Recon 1 when I first, not as aggressive as a Recon 1, but the whole thing reminded me of the Recon 1. And I'll show you it in comparison to it after tell you a little more about this thing. So, as you can see, this is a liner lock flipper, and man, it is smooth. It is perfectly centered, and no jimping on the flipper tab, but the way it's curved up and properly placed, it's so smooth, and it's just really impressive. And let's see what we got here on the blade. Yep, Sandvik 14C28N, and that is Off Grid's design there. And I guess they're a subsidiary or affiliate or whatever you want to call it with Best Tech. So there you know, it's a quality piece. So this, look at that smooth action. And it's really only 6.7 ounces. You've got a 9 inches overall, 4-inch blade, 5-inch handle. As far as for the blade is it's 1.5 inches wide and 3.2 millimeters thick. And yeah, it's nice. Again, that is a 5-inch handle, and very ergonomic, very comfortable. And man, this thing is wicked sharp. So what's also nice is that it comes with T8 body screws. So that's pretty cool. Also very cool is this pocket clip. It's got their little emblem there. And it is right hand and left hand deep hand carry. Deep carry. You've got the recessed screws there. Everything is nice. It's nice and springy. Goes down the pocket just fine. And this is beast. It's a beast, but it's not like too much to consider carrying in your pocket. And I am loving it. It is just, it's a fun, fidgety flicker. It's got great acoustics to it. You can hear, yeah, really nice thwack to it. And yeah, I am digging it. Is it sharp? Let's see, do I have any hair on my arm left? That's just running through, and there we go. You can see it. And for those that like to see a cigar catalog sliced up, I'm not even trying. Look at that. It's a laser. So, yeah, let me show you some of them comparable options. And starting with one that I mentioned was the Recon 1. Now, I've, of course, modified the handle, which is something that's really nice when you got a completely no-scale, thick G10 or kind of grip, so that you can really just make it your own. And let's just put this here and this one there, and yeah, it's just a little shy of being the same. Another comparable option for a big knife, got the Civivi Praxis. Yeah, it's I do want to show you this one. I'm pretty proud of this. I just took the stone wash off of this Civivi Brazen, and I'm just loving it even more. But yeah, look how it dwarfs the Brazen just a bit. Handle and blade wise, probably about an inch each. Another favorite Best Tech is their Rida Kombu, and yeah, we're roughly about the same size. Maybe just a smidgen more in the handle department of the off-grid. And one of my other favorite go-tos is the Voyager. And yeah, as you can see, it's roughly almost the same size, with got to give the edge to the off-grid. And yeah, pretty impressed with this one, guys, gals, and whoever else is watching. And I think you would be too. I'm very happy with this one. Pretty psyched to take it to work, put it to use, and slice some stuff up. So there you go. That is the off-grid Caiman XL. I'm Newcastle Ninja. I hope you liked the video. And if you did, give me a like, please. And you're welcome to subscribe. Love to see that too. And you guys take care. See you on the next one.